Nowadays, business is highly dependent on the telecalling activities, and while you generate the business with telecallers, calculating the employees' working hours is super challenging for the owner and management. It might be possible that an employee may sit in the office for 8 hours in front of you, but not sure how much time he actually spent on the calling activities. So now you can get this essential and useful information from Callyzer as working hours in reports. Now let's discuss how working hours are calculated and how you can set up this. So working hours, it's the actual time spent by the employee, which includes not just the call duration but also includes other activities like updating the status and comments after the call ends, searching the leads, viewing the leads, and many more activities. So, this is called process time, which is ideally for 3 minutes. Also, the time difference between two calls should be less than 3 minutes. If it is greater than 3 minutes, then it will be considered as break or idle time. Whenever the employee starts making a call, let's take an example that employee made a call at 1:30 p.m. So, before making that call, employee must have spent some initial time on a few activities like open the application, searching the leads, viewing the lead details, etc. So, this is called add-on time, which is ideally for 1 minute. That add-on time consider at the beginning of the day, after lunch, tea, or other break or ideal time. Don't worry, you can configure this process time and add-on time as per your requirement. So for that, go to settings. Click on general settings. Here you can adjust the process time and the add-on time according to your requirement. Now, let me show you where you can see the working hours of your team. To get working hours, go to the reports. Click on periodic reports. And in summary, you can get your team working hours details. You can also check employee wise working hours here, which includes add-on time, call duration, and process time. I hope this video will definitely help you to understand this new feature of working hours, which is useful and beneficial to find your team's actual working hours. If you still have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.